In this video, I'm going to show you a YouTube channel which is literally making $4,000 a month with less than 100 views on his each and every video on the YouTube channel. Let me take you to the youtube.com, the name as Tech Tutor. This is the YouTube channel Tech Tutor, and this YouTube channel has 22,000 subscribers and it has uploaded literally 1.5k videos on the YouTube channel. But what's amazing about this YouTube channel that it is getting less than 100 views in almost 90% of these videos. Some of its videos are getting maybe 1,000 views, and this is something like he is uploading around 4 to 5 videos per day. And what's amazing is that all of these videos are just faceless videos, and all of these videos are just tutorials. Like, these are the searchable content, as it is this YouTube search automation. If I review some of its content, like how to remove app name from home screen Samsung, and change Amazon password, how to disable Google voice typing, and like most of his videos are just dependent upon the searchable content. That's why it's not getting so much views. But in a short time, when I'm gonna tell you how much views this channel is getting per month, you will be literally shocked. You're analyzing, like, most of his videos are getting less than 100 views, maybe less than 1,000 views, right? But I take you to this website called as Social Blade, and if I tell you, if I copy his handle name and here I've pasted, now this is the channel, and this is all of its analytics are here. I will scroll down and tell you how much his views is getting. This channel is literally getting 1.7k subscribers. This channel has gained in the last 30 days. And how much views this channel is getting? This channel has gained 1.7 million views in the last 30 days. And this is the graph of the channel's progress out here, and how much this channel has made. This channel has made $4,000 in a month. So it's not exact numbers, but these views and subscribers are the exact numbers, but it's not the revenue. This is just an estimated monthly revenue, because this number is based on the CPM from $0.25 to $4, but most of the tech channels are getting more than $4, because tech niche is high paying niche, right? So maybe this channel may be earning more than this. How this channel is getting the 1 million views? If we analyze this channel, because this is a searchable content, and most of the people after the years, they will gonna search for how to do this, how to do that. So this is something that is the long-term content, not the short-term content. Is the evergreen content, and people will keep searching about these videos, and these videos will always gonna take views. Short review of this new YouTube channel, and if you have learned something new, and please like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.